guys, in today's video I will show you 4 ideas for baby photo shoot at home. You do not have to hire an expensive photographer to get professional looking photographs. You can certainly do it yourself. So in this DIY baby photo shoot at home video, I'll show you step-by-step tutorial on creating 4 quick and easy setups for amazing baby photos. All the ideas require basic props that you can easily find at your home or at local market. I hope you like these baby photo ideas and these tips will help you take amazing photos of your baby without spending a lot on newborn baby photos done by a professional. So to prepare for the photo shoot, I looked up on Pinterest for some inspiration photos, and here are a few of the inspiration photos that I saved to my phone and referred back several times to look for props, background setup, lighting, angle, etc. and finalize the ones I thought I can recreate. And these are few of the outfits that we bought. We tried to look for net, tulle and other fancy outfits rather than just cotton. Also we look for a matching headband, so here are all the props we have. Other than these, you can also use swaddle cloths, muslin wraps, baby blankets, fresh or artificial flowers, a basket, etc. as your props. So there are so many options and you just need to select what you like. So let me start with showing you the first setup. In the first setup, we need a bean bag and I'm trying to DIY one. So I have taken a toy storage bag and putting a feeding pillow in it along with some additional cushion like blanket, swaddle cloths, sleeping bag, etc. All you need is a lifted surface to lay baby on rather than a flat surface. Most baby photo shoots are done on a bean bag, so you can take a bedsheet and fill it with cushion to make a bean bag effect. So once a bean bag is created, I will put a backdrop on it. I have this beautiful white fur drop. It doesn't have to be fur, you can put a plain white bedsheet as well. Now I'll lay the baby wrapped in her swaddle cloth and put a headband on, and here is the first setup ready. You can also buy newborn baby wrap and watch tutorials on YouTube how to baby wrap, but we only swaddled the baby making sure her feet are swaddled up, unlike traditional swaddling where the feet are straight. Also shoot according to baby's sleep schedule. Make sure baby is well fed, sleepy and warm. If you want to prevent a mid-photo mishap, change your baby's clothes and diaper right before the newborn photo shoot. Also have spare clothes ready just in case any accidents happen. Once baby is ready, you literally only have 10 minutes or maximum 15 minutes to execute. So plan ahead in your mind what angles you're going to shoot from, low, top, side, zoom in, zoom out, etc. You can actually change the setup while baby is sleeping on the prop. Make few changes and new setup is ready and you're not even disturbing the baby. Here we have pulled off the beanbag while baby is still asleep and make her sleep on a flat background. Then we put a blanket and a matching toy and a headband, and look how amazing shots we got. Remember to take the photos from at least 3 different angles. This will also give you more of a variety to choose from. Also make sure to take defocus or blur background photographs. This way, only the baby would be the highlight of the photo and not the background. These days, almost all cameras on mobile phones can capture defocus background photos. So you do not need a fancy DSLR camera and expensive lenses to capture epic photographs. I did this entire photo shoot using my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Also make sure to lock the focus on baby's face so that face is not blurred out. Now for the third setup, we have used the same white background but used some artificial flowers to make a heart around the baby. Also change the outfit to red to coordinate with the heart theme. And here we have our third setup ready, as simple as that. We checked the weather and picked a sunny day as we wanted to take advantage of natural light. Also shooting between 9 AM to 4 PM is best as you can make use of natural light and the shoot can be finished before the start of baby's witching hour or evening first hour. To get a really exceptional photo, you want to make eye contact with your baby. So talk to them, play with them, use rattles or other toys to grab attention. Anything to get that perfect shot. Always remember that on the day of photo shoot, baby needs to be happy and comfortable and not sick. So do not pick the day or two after baby has had her vaccination needles. Make sure your baby is feeling good and does not have any temperature. Also keep household chores out of your to-do list on the shoot day, as trust me guys, you will be juggling to get baby changed in different outfits, feed her, keep her full, and make sure she's well rested so that she sleeps before and during the photo shoot. So pre-cook, do takeaway, or do whatever you want, but keep household chores at bay. Coming to the fourth and my favorite setup, where we have used a basket and filled it up with pillow, blankets, baby swaddle, etc. to a level close to the edge of the basket. Make sure to provide extra cushion where you will be laying the baby's head. I'm using this blanket to finally tuck everything in, and this is where I lay the baby. I simply love how this setup came through. The grey bedhead really enhanced the look. I was thinking to use a plain white background, but we ended up using this bedhead background, which I think was a very wise decision. Also try to capture the details, their tiny yawns, smile, fingers and toes. Focusing on these details will remind you how delicate they once were and also might help you capture some moments. When taking photos, you're always going to be anxious about whether you captured great newborn pictures, especially when you're taking them yourself. You might look back over your photos and wish you had taken more, but you'll never lament taking too many. So just keep snapping. If you take tons of photographs, one of them is sure to be the shot you love. I snapped a total of 600 pictures in this photo shoot and shortlisted 60. So for every 10 photographs clicked, you are sure to get at least one nice pic. So guys, I hope you liked all the ideas I shared today, and I hope you will give at least one of them a try and leave your thoughts, your comments in the community section of my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and I shall see you in another video, and bye for now.